give him a date.
Okie dokie. Well, here we are in the bus spot. I am building a deck today, and I thought, you know, this would be a fun thing to record. Just kind of the progress of getting the bus set up. So what we're doing is we have old telephone poles that they replaced on our road, and so I went and picked those up. They're all like dipped in whatever, creosote treated. So we're just gonna bury those in the ground and then concrete around them. So we dug our holes and we set these two. It's kind of a fun process, so I thought I would record it. At this point, we dug some holes. Burley's impressed. So at this point, we have run power to the bus, we've run water to the bus, and we thought with all of the dirt and snow and rain out here, mostly snow, I guess, it'd be nice to build a big covered entryway. You want my earmuffs? So we always wanted to build a cover in Olympia too, and we just never did because it sucks to like be wet and dripping while you're coming into the bus. So this is what we're doing. So far it's been pretty good. I'll just kind of put the camera down and show what's happening. And maybe a final walkthrough when we're done. So that's the plan for this video. Just making it up as we go. So I'm going to cut the end of this pole here because it's 22 feet long. I don't need it that long. We need it about 16. But we got it here, so when I cut it, it's going to tilt up and go ploop right in that hole. So here we go. We got the beams up. Here. Posts are in the ground. These posts, once they went in the ground, were impossible to move. So they are a little bit different on each end here, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but got the framing of the deck done. I used leftover posts as the supports to get the deck level. Use those posts also, and then just the ground over there. I'll keep you updated on what's going on. I'm going to slap some boards down now. Hopefully it goes faster than the rest of this is gone. I've got the joists all laid out. I've got the plywood coming up. So we'll get this thing covered up. I'm going to put the hardware on this when it gets here, the strong ties. Yeah, and the deck's all covered. Leo helped me with that. So yeah, sheeting, then papering, and then I'm gonna go salvage some old metal roofing. Hopefully we have enough. If not, I'll go get some at the Home Depot. Yeah, just galvanized stuff. It's got holes in it because it's been used before, but I'm gonna just caulk the holes, and then I've got some metal roof paint I'm gonna throw over it so all the different colors will be covered up. But yeah, it's going pretty well. But yeah, we got a pretty good, got a 1 foot overhang around the whole deck. The roof overhangs 1 foot, and then back there the roof overhangs quite a bit over the bus, so should keep people dry when they come in to stay. And yeah, we'll hopefully beat the snowstorm and the weather with all this. Should be wrapped up here in a couple days if I can keep after it. So there we are on the update. Now we're just gonna walk around up here and try not to fall and die. All right, there you have it. Got the sheeted roof for you. Not a bad view. Can you see that? And the GoPro gets it all right. You can see town off that way, the sun setting. Yeah, you can't see it in the video. Purple fluffy clouds. Well, now it's just time to clean up a bit for the day and get my blower out, clean off the roof, roll down some paper, and then we'll scavenge for some metal. I was just about to start a video on the bathroom remodel of the bus, but I remembered I hadn't finished the video about the you know, outdoor covered area in the bus. So I'll show you guys the finished product on that. Also, I'm walking on our new driveway. We had a giant pile of asphalt from the Big House Ranch. They redid their driveway and dumped it up here a few years ago before we knew we were going to build a house here. And so I dumped it all here. So the more we drive on it, the better it gets. Right now it's a little sketchy, but I think I'm going to order some rock to go over, just kind of smooth it out. And then parking is going to be over there, and then you walk down this way to the bus. We've got wood chips down from some of the trees that the power line company was taking out, trimming up. I said, hey, can you dump all of the wood chips right here? So we spread those all out. And then here's the finished, let me turn it around. Here's the finished product. Got some cafe bulbs up there. Maybe I'll post a nice picture of it at nighttime. But yeah, worked out pretty good. Picture framed the corners on the deck. Got all the roof rafters in. This was the only thing that was the big issue here. I had to notch out this sucker because this door wouldn't open. Because after I set these poles in the ground, I was not able to move them. And I had them all measured out in square, but as you can see from where the cuts are on the deck, they weren't super square. But you know, what are you gonna do? These two are actually a little better off. Well, not really. But so that's the outdoor seating area. It's huge. So we're gonna put a table out here to eat, maybe a little campfire for in the summers when you're not allowed to have a campfire, like a gas burning one. Got a little wood chopping station here. And then this is the bathroom remodel project, which I'm going to talk about in my next video. So yeah, bus stuff. I'll let you guys know when it's opened up, and you can come sleep out here in the woods with us.